Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting lecture session. So here we shall discuss how to simplify a 5 variable expression using a K-map. Now let us assume that we have an expression having 5 variables, say a, b, c, d, e, a function having 5 variables a, b, c, d, e, with a being the MSB and e being the LSB. Now we are very sure as to how we can simplify a 4 variable expression using a K-map, right? So this would be the K-map which you would use to simplify a 4 variable expression. But now since we have 5 variable, now 5 variable meaning that we need 2 power 5, that is 32 cells, or I have 0 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 1, right? So 2 power 5, which is 32. So I have the weights of these cells varying from 0 to 31. So in order to write a 5 variable K-map, what do we do? So now let this be the MSB, A be the MSB, and then I have B, C, D, E. Now for the remaining 4, which is B, C, D, E, I write the K-map as usual. So this would be B, C, D, E, and this again would be B, C, D, E. And what about the MSBA? For the MSBA, see, the value of A can either be 0 or 1. So this is considered for A equal to 0 and this is considered for A equal to 1. Now what does this mean? I have A0 and I have B, C, D, E, which varies from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. So I have 16 combinations or 16 cells where A is 0, the value of A is 0. So this K-map represents that where A is 0 and B, C, D, E varies from 0 to 15. Total we have 16 cells, right? So this is 0 and this is 15. So totally 16 cells. And what about this? Here A is 1 and B, C, D, E varies from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Again there are 16 cells. And what about the weights? The weights of these cells vary from 1 0 0 0 0, which is 16, to 5 ones, which is 31. So I've written the weights, right? So here this is 0 to 15, which is very similar to a 4 variable K-map where A is 0, and here it is 16 to 31. Okay, right? So this is going to be B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar, and again this is going to be D bar E bar, D bar E, D E, D E bar. And similarly here this also would be B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar, and here I have D bar E bar, and then D bar E, D E, and then D E bar. Now how do I simplify a 5 variable expression using a 5 variable K-map? So let's take an example and let us see how we can simplify it. So we'll take 2 examples. So here I have an expression here, a function of a, b, c, d, e, where I have a 1 for the cells 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 10 and so on. So let me write the value. So I have a 1 for 0, for 2, and then I have for 4, 7, 8, 10, and then I have 12, 16, 12 and 16, 18, 20, 23. So I have 18, 20, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 24, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so this is what I get. So now I need to simplify this. So the whole point is I have to simplify. Now how do I simplify? Now we need to look at the problem in 2 ways. One is to simplify or combine the ones which are not common or which are not overlapping. For example, I have this 1 here. You observe? Now I have a 1 here and I have a 1 in the same position. Okay, so here I have a 1 in the same position of both the K maps. So this is one case. And then I have 4 ones which can be combined, which are non-overlapping. So first let us consider the non-overlapping ones. Now you know that if I combine 2 ones, I reduce 1 variable. If I combine 4, I reduce 2. Then if I combine 8, there's a reduction of 3 and so on. You know that. So now here we can combine these 4 ones. Now when I combine these 4 ones, what is the reduced expression? The reduced expression would be, so here I have, for all these 4 ones, I have D and E which are in complementary, so they get cancelled. So I have B, C bar, and here for this K map, A is 1. So this is A, B, C bar. Okay, so since I'm combining 4 ones, there's a reduction of 2 variables which is D and E. Fine. Now let's come back to another scenario where I have overlapping ones. Now here, this 1 and this 1 is in the same position. Okay, now let me write the expression for these two. So what do I get? Now for this one, this is the value of B, C, D, E remains the same, isn't it? So it would be B bar, C, D, E for this one. But then what happens to A? A is in complementary. So I have A is 0 here, so I have A bar, and A is 1 here. Since A is in complementary, what happens? The variable A gets cancelled, so therefore the expression, the simplified expression of these two ones would be B bar C D E. So this is one expression and this is the other expression. Okay, now similarly let us try to identify the other common ones. Now I find that these 4 and these 4 are in the same position. So let me write the combined expression. So you find that the combined for these 4 ones. So for these 4 ones, I have B and C which are complementary. So they get cancelled. So I get D bar, E bar, and I have A0 here and A1 here. So A bar and A, so A gets cancelled. So the simplified expression would be D bar, E bar. Fair enough, because we are combining how many ones? I have 4 ones here plus 4 ones, so I'm combining 8 ones. So when I combine 8 ones, which is 2 power 3, there's a reduction of 3 variables. So I have A, B and C, the 3 variables which do get reduced, and the simplified one would be D bar, E bar. Right? So next, what else? I have these 2 ones here. So here I find that these 2 ones overlap with these 2. And I also can combine the 4 corners, these 4 ones, isn't it? So I have these 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, which overlap with these 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now, what is the expression I need to write? So for these 4 ones, of course A is complementary. So let me write that expression here. For these 4 ones which are present in the 4 corners, of course A is complementary, so A gets cancelled, the variable A gets removed. Now for these 4 ones, I have the first row and the 4th row where B is in complementary, so I get C bar. And I have the first column and the 4th column where D is in complementary, so I have E bar. So I have 4 ones overlapping with the other 4 ones, so total 8. So 2 power 3 is 8, so therefore there's a reduction of 3 variables. So the 3 variables A, B and D get reduced. So what is the final expression? The final expression is, of course, I have D bar, E bar, plus C bar, E bar, plus I have the other one, A, B, C bar, and then plus B bar, C, D, E. Okay. So this is the expression what we get A B C bar plus B bar C D E plus C bar E bar plus D bar E bar. So very simple. All that we need to identify is the ones present in common in both the K-maps. If they are present in the same position in both the 4 variable K-maps, then definitely you have a reduction of the variable A. And if they are not common, and they are very specific to either this 4 variable K-map or this K-map, then what happens? The other variables get reduced, which is either B, C, D, E, and the process of reduction remains the same as we have done for a 4 variable K-map. And of course, if it belongs to the first 4 variable K-map, I have A, which is 0, so I would get A bar here, and here I would get A equal to 1. So the process of simplifying a 5 variable expression using a K-map is very simple. So let's take another example and let us see how we can simplify a 5 variable expression using a K-map. So we consider the next example where I need to simplify this expression. So of course this corresponds to A equal to 0 and this K-map corresponds to A equal to 1, and I write the other variables B, C, D, E. So this is B, C, D, E, and then I have B, C, D, E, and similarly this is going to be B bar, C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar, and then D bar, E bar, D bar, E, D E, D E bar. And similarly for this K-map also. So I need to simplify this, so let me put a 1 here. So I have a 1 for the cell with weight 0, for 2, for 5, 7, then I have for 8, 10, then 16 is here, 21, 23, 24, 21, 23 and 24, and 27 and 31. Okay, so these are the positions here. So as I already have told you, I need to identify ones which are non-overlapping or which are not present in the common positions. So I find that I have these two ones which are very specific to this K-map. So here I can simplify these two ones. So here, if I need to write the reduced expression for these two ones, of course A is 1 here, so it is A. Now I find that C is complementary for these two ones, so C variable gets eliminated. So with B is common, so I have B, and then it is DE. So the expression is ABDE. Next, let me check if there are ones which tend to overlap. So I have these two ones and these two, they are in the same position. So let me write the common expression. So for these two ones, A and A bar are in complementary. A is in complementary. So I have A bar and A. And then here it is B bar C and D is in complementary, so I get E. So A variable gets reduced. So since I'm combining 4 ones, there is reduction of 2 variables, which is A and the variable D. So it's going to be B bar C and E for these 4 ones. Next I have these 4 ones which can be combined, and they are not overlapping here. I don't have 4 ones here, right? So I can combine these 4 ones. So when I combine these 4, what do I get? So I get A bar, because these 4 ones are very specific to this 4 variable K-map. So I have A equal to 0, which corresponds to A bar. Now for these 2 rows, that is row 1 and row 4, B is in complementary, so I get C bar. And for the first and the fourth column, D is in complementary, so I get E bar. So I have A bar, C bar, E bar. Next I need to combine these 2 ones. I find that these 2 ones and these 2 ones have the same position in both the K-maps. So I can combine these 2 ones with these 2. Alright, so now let me write the expression here. Again, A is complementary for these 2, so the variable a gets eliminated. And then for these two, that is row 1 and row 4, b is in complementary, so I have c bar, and then I have column 1 itself, so it is d bar e bar. So what is the final expression? The final expression would be a bar c bar e bar plus b bar ce, which is this one, plus c bar d bar e bar, this is the one which I've written here, and then a b d e. So this is the final expression what I get. So I have a bar c bar e bar plus b bar ce plus c bar d bar e bar plus a b d e. So this is how we can very easily simplify a 5-variable expression using K-map. Of course, we need to write these two here, where the first one corresponds to a equal to 0 and the next one corresponds to a equal to 1, and you can very easily simplify all of them. Okay, so to view all the other videos in digital electronics, make sure that you click on the I icon or go through the playlist Digital Electronics or Logic Design. To view all the other videos in digital electronics, either click on the I icon or go through the playlist Digital Electronics, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.